Everybody, guess what? The package arrived. We got the black boxer robot from Spin Master. Let's unbox it. Alright. It just arrived on late February's. Alright. Here it is. In January we did the blue original boxer. These they have a pop-up thing. Alright. Alright, everybody. I think that's it. Alright, here's the boxer robot. But this time it's the black one. So I'm going to take a picture with Twilight Sparkle and Fluttershy. Yeah. I don't know if it is gonna work because of the. Alright, ready in 3. Sorry about that. I don't know if this is gonna work. Ready in 3. Sorry about that. I hope I don't get trademark of this. In 3, 2, 1. Alright. First, it's for ages 6 and up. So let's go unbox it. I hope it works. I think it opens right here. No, wait, hold on. And also, the Boxer app is available on iOS and Google Play. Well, I don't think it's not available no more. Or maybe it's only in Canada, because Boxer robot country is from Canada. Hold on, guys, I need a pen. Come on. There we go. Oh, there we go. It's about to be. Oh, there's the tape. Alright, everybody, hold on. I'll go pause the camera. Here's a robot. Oh, it's windy outside. And the batteries are dead. You have to charge them for now. Alright, let's see what else is in here. Oh, a ball. Alright. So, Elinor, what do you think? Oh, I forgot Elinor. She's in the living room. Let's put this. I'll put it under right here. Let me see. How does it open? Alright, let me see. Oh my god. And it opens right here. Alright, I think it's open actually. How does it open? Oh, it's right here. Alright. And here's the remote control. Even it has with the blue one doesn't have any the levers. Alright. It goes opens like this. It looks like a Wii U remote. It has with Joy-Cons, like a pedal. Here's the flyer. Alright, this information, but I'm not gonna show it. Here's the flyer. Going to, you gotta charge Rainbow Dash. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Rarity. Yeah. Applejack. Yeah. I think 6 ponies. Yeah, 6 of them. Lola the dog. Lola the dog. Yeah. And Rosie the rabbit. Hey, what is that one? Forgot them. I buy the E in the R train magnet, E for emo, and R for robot. You know why? The R train magnet name is for the Win Fun robot because the robot said, "Hi, I'm a robot." It's like that. I'll show you at the end of the video. Or I think we're going to this is going to be E for emo for this robot. Like we did last time, last year. For Novi, B for Boxer, and C for Cosmo. I couldn't find the V because of the got discontinued back in 2010. The train got discontinued 14 years ago. They got discontinued the V train. Alright, what do you think, Rosie? Yeah. Wait, where's Elinor? Oh, Father, sorry I'm late. Alright, Elinor. Well, we just unboxed the Boxer robot, the black one. Well, we're gonna go charge him in the next video. Alright? Okay. So that'll be it. I'm gonna start with the R&E train now. We'll see you guys on the part 2 tomorrow or later. Let's start with R&E, okay? Okay. Alright, let's go. I charged Boxer already, right? Yeah, we're gonna take a look. Alright, so I'm gonna show you the Boxer robot. I just charged the black one. So here you go. I'm using a different tripod, that's why. I don't have much time. We got the black Boxer. And even it has a remote. Oh. It's going too fast. Even I could go slow. Oh. Alright, let's go back. Alright. You could disable the... Alright, I'm gonna play with those games right here. It's called... But we're not gonna play this. Alright, let's do the next one. Slingshot. Let's put it in the thing. Oh. We're trying to scan. Oh, it's on the wrong way. Oh. No, Boxer, stay. I'm gonna do this quickly. Alright, next one. soccer. Let's put it in there. Well, my soccer, the soccer from Boxer, it's in my room. Alright. He only says goal already. Next one. Paddle bot. Let's see the music. Let's see go. Alright, let's do the next one. We did paddlebot and soccer. Alright, let's do the fifth one. Fifth one is bot bowling. It won't let me scan the card. Alright, let's see what it looks like. We don't have much time for bowling. Alright, next we have laser tank. Alright, laser tank is next. Alright, we did laser tank. Alright. Stun show. We did stunt show. Now let's do go-kart. He sounds like Novi. Oh. I'm gonna crash him. Well, Boxer doesn't have a driver license. Alright, oh, wrong button. Alright, next one. DJ bot. And the last card will be dance party. You know, we're not gonna listen to whole music. I don't know if it is copyrighted. Maybe not. Alright, last card. We don't know if we're gonna get the emote yet. I already made an announcement of the unboxing, but turn it off, and that'll be it. Alright, let's put this. Let's watch this funny part before we end the video. Hope you guys like it, Fluttershy.
Yeah.
And Elinor.
Yeah.